Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Chennai Dev. We get the flexible job with the Dev and DevOps Engineer. I can explain both the Dev and DevOps Engineer, complete roadmap and practical examples, theory, coding, everything I explain in the our channel. Please subscribe our channel. The DevOps Engineer complete roadmap. Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Terraform, AWS, Linux, shell scripting, monitoring tools, configurations, Python. Coming to Docker, create, build, run container, Dockerfile, Docker Compose, image container management in the Kubernetes, container orchestration, pods service deployment, scaling, load balancing, cluster, node management. Coming to Jenkins, CI/CD pipeline, continuous integration, build, test, deploy, pipeline, Git integration. Coming to Terraform, infrastructure as a code, define the infrastructure, AWS resource providing modules, state management. Coming to AWS Cloud, EC2, S3, ODS, Lambda, IAM. Coming to Linux, these are basic commands, service management, mandatory role in the Linux commands, and also shell scripting also important. Bash scripting, automation task, cron jobs, backup script. Next one, monitoring tools, Prometheus and Grafana. Next to configuration management, Ansible playbooks, service configuration, infrastructure automation. Next to Python. Python also important, automation and scripting, API integration, logs, processing. This step by step we'll learn and get the job in costly high package with service companies and product based companies. If it is useful information, please subscribe our channel. Please like, share, comment. Thank you for watching.